Welcome, dear students. How are you all? I think you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I have appeared before you with a new class. This class will be on English second paper for class 9 to 12, and the name of this topic is completing sentence. So, dear students, let's begin our class. Dear students, these are the rules. The first rule is so that, second rule in order that, and third rule is so ... that. The structure of so that is subject plus can, may, could, might plus V1. That means can or may will be used for present tense, and could and might will be used for past tense. And the structure of in order that is, after in order that, subject plus can, may, could, might plus V1, just like so that. And the third one, so ... that. This is not so that, so ... that. And the structure of so ... that is after that plus subject plus cannot or could not. Cannot will be used for present tense and could not will be used for past tense. So, dear students, these are the examples. So, let's try to answer these incomplete sentences. That means we shall complete these incomplete sentences. First one is he works hard so that. Second one is he worked hard so that. Third one, she worked hard in order that. And the fourth one, the girl is so poor dash. And last one, the girl was so poor that. So, dear students, you just identify the rules. First one, he works hard so that. That means this is the rules of the first one. After so that, we have to use subject. So, we shall go to the subject, and subject will be he, as the first one is also he. Then we have to use can, may, could or might. Anyone we have to use. As the sentence is in present indefinite, we have to use can or may. Anyone we can like. So that he can, he works hard so that. This is the target or mission or objective. He works hard so that he can shine in life. So, according to the structure, subject plus can, may, could or might, we have used here can. Okay. Now, second one, he worked hard so that. This is the example just like the first one. The first one is in present indefinite, but the second one is in past indefinite. That's why we have to use, at first we have to use subject he. Now, as it is in past indefinite, we have to use could or might. So, I have used here could. He worked hard so that he could prosper in life or shine in life. It's not a matter, anyone you can use. Now, go to the third one. She worked hard in order that. This is the rules of in order that. It is just like the so that. The structure of in order that, subject plus can, may, could, might plus V1. So, she worked hard. The verb is in past indefinite. So, we have to use subject at first, she, and then could, again prosper in life or shine in life. Third one, dear students, this is the answer of the third one. Now, come to the fourth one. The girl is so poor. This is the another rule. So, this is the rules of third one. So ... that. That means there is no that here. We have to start with that. The girl is so poor that. Then, according to the structure, we have to use subject. So, subject will be pronoun she, as the girl is a female person. And then, we have to use cannot or could not. So, as the verb is in present tense, so we have to use cannot. The girl is so poor that she cannot buy a dress. And then last one, the girl was so poor that. This is just like the fourth one, but the tense is different. The girl was so poor that. This is in past indefinite. And now as we see that that's why we have to use subject she instead of the girl. And then as it is in past indefinite, we have to use could not. The girl was so poor that she could not buy a dress. So dear students, you have understood these examples well, I think. So dear students, for your better understanding, I am going to give you another examples, but the rules are same. Again, I have given you 4 examples. Rima reads more so that. Second one, Rima read more so that. Third one, the girl is so intelligent. Fourth one, the man was so weak that. So again, the first one, Rima reads more so that. This is the rules of the first one. Then we have to use subject and we have to write down she instead of Rima. And then we have to write down can, may, could, might, anyone we like according to the tense. As it is in past indefinite, it is in present indefinite, we have to use can or may. She can. As she reads more so that she can pass. The second one, Rima read more so that. This is in past indefinite. So we have to use in past indefinite and again subject plus could and then bhar according to the structure of the first one. And then the third one, the girl is so intelligent, and this is in the according to the rules of third one, so dot that. So there is no that here, and we have to write down that at first, and then we have to write down subject, and subject will be she. The girl is so intelligent that she, and as it is in present indefinite, you have to use cannot or only cannot. She cannot make any mistake. The girl is so intelligent that she cannot make any mistake. And then the last one, the man was so weak that. This is in past indefinite. So we have to use subject at first. The man was so weak that. This is in past indefinite, so we have to use could not. He could not work. The man was so weak that he could not work. And we have used he here instead of the man. The man is noun and we have to use here pronoun. So dear students, to complete these incomplete sentences according to these rules, you must memorize the structure. So dear students, I think you have understood well. Now dear students, thank you so much. See you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.